Here's Daddy on the floor trying to catch a big fish. I'm even sharing. That's why this camera is moving too much. Hi, Dad! What are you doing? Have you catched any fish? Yeah. How big is it? That's funny. Yeah. Nafar! Nafar! They're having lots of fun, I think. And that's all, folks.
Did you catch any fish?
No.
How many fish we got?
2, but one was pregnant, so we put it out.
My dress is too red.
Yeah. Carrying babies. You were pregnant.
Dad, can we go outside now?
Yeah. Okay.
Dad, come on, let's catch some more fish.
You will catch fish.
Enjoying a day at the beach. Kids are in spring break.
Gotcha!
It's quite windy and babies inside here all snuggled up.
We're having a fun time today. We're catching lots of fresh fish. It's fun.
I only know at his right hand stands one who is my savior. I take him.
You having fun? Via, where did you go?
See, Daddy!
With Daddy? Are you going swimming? Are you going swimming? Okay.
Daddy will leave his place on high and come for sinful men to die. You got a strange soul, once did I. Before my Savior, my Savior loves, my Savior lives,
That's freezing and refreshing.
What are you doing? Let me see.
yes, living, dying let me breathe.
Look at Daddy.
No, Via. Via, no.
Solace from the spring. Daddy who
Come here,
lives to
Via.
be
That's too big for you. Well, let's say. Careful.
once died to be my savior. Daddy will lead his place on high and come for sinful men to die. You kind of strange, so once did I.
Yes.
Before I knew my savior. My savior loves
Having so much fun. Having a lot of fun.